In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your Dropbox account with Outlook. By the end, you'll be able to send files from Dropbox through Outlook without downloading or reattaching anything, which saves time and keeps your files organized in one place. Start by signing in to your Dropbox account in a web browser. You'll land on your home page where you can browse your folders or use the search bar to quickly find the file you want to share. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct version and that it's stored in the right folder, especially if you manage multiple similar files. Next, hover over the file and click the three dots, sometimes labeled as the More button, on the right side. This opens the action menu for that file. Choose Share. In the sharing window that appears, look for an option called Connect Apps. This is where Dropbox lets you link useful services so you can share directly from Dropbox without extra steps. Inside Connect Apps, search for Outlook. When you see Outlook in the list, click Connect. A Microsoft sign-in window will appear. Go ahead and sign in to your Microsoft account, the same one you use for Outlook. If you're already signed in, you may just be asked to grant permission so Dropbox can hand off the file to Outlook on your behalf. Approve the prompts, and then wait a moment while the screen loads and the connection is completed. Once the connection is set up, you'll see Outlook available as a sharing option for your file. From here, you can send the file through Outlook directly. Typically, Dropbox shares files as secure links rather than large attachments, which helps with email size limits and ensures recipients always access the latest version in Dropbox. Depending on your settings, recipients can view or download the file without you needing to resend updated versions. A few quick tips to make this smooth. If a window doesn't appear, make sure your browser isn't blocking pop-ups. If you use multiple Microsoft accounts, double-check that you're connecting the one you want to send from. And if you're on a work or school account, some permissions might be managed by your admin, so you may need to request access. That's it. Your Dropbox and Outlook are now connected, and you can send files right from Dropbox using Outlook. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials.